So the third formula is display formula. What is display formula? Display formula is very easy. It shows the arrangement of atoms along with bonds. Bonds is also shown in the display formula. Whenever molecule without, so if we arrangement of atoms in a formula in such a way that all bonds are shown, this is the second definition. But the easiest one is, as I told you, like suppose, like we say, you can say C2H4 and C2H6. So this is condensed formula, but let me write it in a display formula. Display number of carbons are 2, so we can say 2 carbons are attached. Here also 2 carbons are attached, but here hydrogen is 4. So one hydrogen is here, one hydrogen is here, one is attached here, and one is hydrogen is 4. But here will be double bond, because now this formula shows double bond between 2 carbon atom, and this formula does not show double bond, it shows single bond. But from the formula we cannot get which one shows double bond, where carbon shows double bond. And here you can see that here in this formula double bond is present between 2 carbon atom, and here single bond is present. So this is ethene and this is ethane. So display formula, the formula which shows the arrangement of atoms along with bonds, all the bonds are visible over here. So this is called a display formula. Okay, come to the next one. The next one is 3D formula. 3D formula. 3D formula, 3 dimensional. It means it represents the optical isomers. Optical isomers. Isomers are those compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula. So that's why they are called isomers. So suppose I have a compound, like this is the compound C2H5, and H is present, and dotted line OH is present, and you can say a bold structure like CH3 is present over here. So this formula, in this formula, this bold structure like this, let me like it, this dotted line and this line, 3 types of bonds are present in it, shown in the formula. So this is 3D formula. So what is the difference between these 3 types of formulas? So let me give a little bit idea. This is a bond. This is a type of bond, and it is outside the plane, paper plane, outside the paper plane. It is inside the paper plane. And this is along the paper plane. Suppose I have these 4 markers. Now see, this is, I have 4 markers like this. Okay, so these 4 markers, the one which is outside the paper towards yourself, that is called bold, and which is beside, behind, that is called dotted line, and these two will be drawn on the paper plane. So this is a type of formula that is called a 3D formula. Okay, this is the easy one. Now come to the structure formula. This is called structural formula. Structure formula. This is the 5th formula, structure formula. Okay, what is structure formula? It is the, let me give you, it is the formula which shows arrangement of arrangement of atoms without showing all bonds. And in skeletal formula, that is a different one, but a structure formula which arrangement of atom is present, like C2H4 is there. It shows the carbon and hydrogen is present, but does not show the all the bonds. So this is called a structure formula. Like the same C6H6. This is benzene. This is eth, benzene, ethene, benzene. So this is structure formula. It does not show the bonds present in the formula. So this is called a structure formula. What is skeletal formula? What is skeletal formula? Skeletal formula. Skeletal formula is important because it only shows arrangement of carbon atoms, nothing more. Like suppose pentane is the structure, the formula is C5H12, but in skeletal formula we will make it in a zigzag manner. Now here, how can we represent carbon? So corner, every corner and terminal will be called carbon. Here, this is the terminal, this is the terminal. So carbon will be present, and this is the corners. So this is called pentane. Here and this structure is called. But whenever this is called, here OH is present. So now CH3, CH. If I remove it, so the structure formula CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. The formula will be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So this can be written in this way. So the terminal, these are the terminal and this is the corner one. But if we just I put one OH over here, so then the name is pentane 2-ol is the structure. What will be the formula? That the formula will be, let me write it here, CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2 and CH3. This is the condensed formula. This is the structure formula and this is the skeletal formula. So this is the difference between all these formulas. So we have discussed these 5 to 6 different formulas. So this is the remaining part of the first video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, there is any question you can ask in the comment section. Please stay connected with Chemistry with DNA for the more and interesting videos. Take a very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.